Croeso nôl. Helen dwi. Shwd ych chi? Dydd Sadwrn. Dydd Sadwrn eto. Saturday again. Dydd Sadwrn eto. And the final day of the Eisteddfod Amgen. Over the past 7 dydd diwetha, the last 7 dydd, dyn ni wedi dysgu, we've learned many sentences, phrases, questions you can string together. Let's have a little recap. Okay. Beth yw, what is, I'm okay. Dwi'n iawn, I'm not okay. Dwi ddim yn iawn. We are okay. Dyn ni'n iawn. And yesterday we learned we're not okay. Dyn ni ddim yn iawn. Ask me if I'm okay. Use the T form. Wyt ti'n iawn? Ydw. Dwi'n iawn. Nac ydw. Dwi ddim yn iawn. And ask us, are we okay? Dych chi'n iawn? Ydyn. Dyn ni'n iawn. Nac ydyn. Dyn ni ddim yn iawn. But heddiw, today, dyn ni'n dysgu to talk about other people and no new vocabulary. We'll stick to what we've got. So, if we want to talk about someone else, we'd say she is, yeah? And she is, yn Gymraeg, is mae hi. Mae hi. Mae hi. Mae hi. So, she's okay. Mae hi'n iawn. Mae hi'n iawn. Mae hi'n iawn. A chi, you try. So, just have a little look at it. She is. Mae hi. Mae hi. She's okay. Mae hi'n iawn. Iawn. Let's revise all our verbs, or many of our verbs, and see how many we can remember. Okay, so she's okay. Mae hi'n iawn. She is eating. Mae hi'n bwyta. You tell me what she's eating. Mae hi'n bwyta brechdanau. Mae hi'n bwyta cacen. Mae hi'n bwyta bisgedi. Mae hi'n bwyta ceri. Mae hi'n bwyta pizza. Oh. Mae hi'n bwyta sglods. Mae hi'n bwyta bara. Da iawn. She is writing. Mae hi'n ysgrifennu. She is reading. Mae hi'n darllen. She's reading lingo. Mae hi'n darllen lingo. She's watching Netflix. Mae hi'n gwylio Netflix. She's singing. Mae hi'n canu. Da iawn. What about some of our Eisteddfod locations? Remember, when yn means in, we can't shorten it. So she's in the pavilion. Mae hi yn y pavilion. Mae hi yn y pavilion. Tell me she's in the ceremony. Mae hi yn y ceremony. Da iawn. Tell me she's in the crowning. Mae hi yn y coroni. She's in the chairing. Mae hi yn y cadeirio. She's in the Learn Welsh village. Mae hi yn y pentref dysgu Cymraeg. She's in the drama village. Mae hi yn y pentre drama. And finally, she's in the bar. Mae hi yn y bar. Da iawn. So, I sing, dwi'n canu. We sing, dyn ni'n canu. She sings, mae hi'n canu. And to switch from she to he is really easy. He is she, mae hi. He does something is mae e. Mae e. Yn y gogledd, mae o. So, if you're in North Wales and listening, when I say e, you substitute it for an o. Mae e. He's okay. Mae e'n iawn. Mae e'n iawn. Mae e'n iawn. Mae e'n iawn. Tell me he's okay while I write mae e up to you. Da iawn. Mae e. Oh, eto, let's do our verbs. He's eating. Mae e'n bwyta. He's watching. Mae e'n gwylio. Mae e'n gwylio'r eisteddfod ar-lein. He's writing. Mae e'n ysgrifennu. He's drinking. Mae e'n yfed. He's drinking tea. Mae e'n yfed te. He's drinking coffee. Mae e'n yfed coffee. He's singing. Mae e'n canu. He's dancing. Mae e'n dawnsio. And then our Eisteddfod locations, just 2 or 3. He is in the pavilion. Mae e yn y pavilion. He's in the tŷ gwerin. Mae e yn y tŷ gwerin. And finally, he's in the Learn Welsh village. Mae e yn y pentre dysgu Cymraeg. So, over the week, we've met 1 or 2 people who are a part of this year's Eisteddfod or maybe last year's Eisteddfod. So, dyma ni. Dyma Gwenan Gibbard. Dyma Gwenan Gibbard. Yeah, with a harp there. Dyma, here is. Dyma Gwenan Gibbard. Tell me she sings. Mae hi'n canu. Tell me she sings in the tŷ gwerin. Mae hi'n canu yn y tŷ gwerin. Da iawn. Now, on the bottom, dyma Gwilym Bowen Rhys. Tell me he sings. Mae e'n canu. Tell me he sings in the tŷ gwerin. Mae e'n canu yn y tŷ gwerin. Mae e'n canu gwerin yn y tŷ gwerin. Da iawn. Dyma Gito Dafydd winning his coron yn Llanrwst. Tell me he writes. Mae e'n ysgrifennu. And tell me here, he is in the pavilion. Mae e yn y pavilion. He's in the ceremony. Mae e yn y ceremony. He's in the crowning. Mae e yn y coroni. And one more. Yeah? Dyma T. James Jones. Tell me, he writes. Mae e'n ysgrifennu. Tell me, he's in the pavilion. Mae e yn y pavilion. He's in the ceremony. Mae e yn y ceremony. He's in the chairing, y cadeirio. Mae e yn y cadeirio. Well, all I've got left to say is diolch. Diolch. Diolch for joining me every day, sorry. Diolch for joining me every day of the Eisteddfod Amgen for a very, very short introduction to Cymraeg. To find out about lessons, please go to dysgucymraeg.cymru or learnwelsh.cymru, where you'll also find many resources. If you look at our entry-level course, Mynediad, and look at the first 1 or 2 units, you'll find work similar to what we've been doing over the last week. Diolch yn fawr. Hope you've enjoyed the lessons. Hope everybody's learned something. Even if you're learning Welsh, you may have learned 1 or 2 words which belong to the Eisteddfod, which wouldn't belong to a normal week. And your challenge, of course, is to dysgu Cymraeg by the time we can all meet yn Tregaron. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl.